The story of your morning routine begins deep underground in massive mines. Industrial machines harvest raw minerals like calcium, phosphate, and silica. These minerals are the essential cleaning agents found in every tube. In some specialized processes, calcium is sourced from highly refined animal bones. These bones are cleaned and ground into an incredibly fine white powder. The factory receives these raw materials in massive industrial sacks. Every shipment is checked for purity in a high-tech laboratory. Technicians ensure the minerals are free from any contaminants. The raw powder is then moved into giant storage silos. These silos reach high above the factory floor. From here, the materials will be pumped through a network of stainless steel pipes. The scale of the raw ingredient storage is truly immense. Everything must be kept perfectly dry and sterile. This is the foundation of the world's most common hygiene product. The industrial process is now ready to begin the transformation. At the heart of the factory is the mixing department. Giant stainless steel vats stand 2 stories tall. The process begins with the precise measurement of purified water. Thickening agents and binders are added to create a gel-like base. The mixing blades inside the vats spin with incredible force. They must ensure that no air bubbles are trapped in the mixture. Air bubbles would cause the tubes to burst during the filling stage. Next, the heavy mineral powders are slowly introduced. The mixture becomes thick and difficult to stir. Powerful industrial motors provide the torque needed to keep it moving. The factory air is filled with the scent of fresh peppermint and menthol. These concentrated flavor oils are added in exact doses. Computer systems monitor the temperature and viscosity of every batch. The paste must be smooth enough to flow, but thick enough to hold its shape. This stage takes several hours of constant, high-power mixing. Toothpaste is more than just a flavor. It is a complex chemical formula designed to protect and clean. Fluoride is added to strengthen the surface of the teeth. Detergents are mixed in to create the foam we see during brushing. These chemicals allow the paste to reach every corner of the mouth. Humectants are also added to prevent the paste from drying out. This ensures the product stays fresh inside the tube for years. In a separate area, the factory prepares different colored gels. Blue and red gels are often made in smaller, specialized tanks. These gels use the same base but different pigments for visual appeal. The different colors are stored in separate holding vats. They will eventually be combined in a process called co-extrusion. The paste is now ready for its final quality check. Samples are taken to ensure the mineral balance is perfect. Once approved, the liquid paste is pumped toward the packaging hall. While the paste is mixing, another machine is busy making the containers. The tubes begin as small plastic pellets in a variety of colors. The pellets are melted and pressed into long, thin sheets. The sheets are rolled into cylinders and welded together by heat. High-speed printers apply the labels and text onto the plastic. The machines work at a speed that is difficult for the eye to follow. The caps are added to the front of the tube before it is filled. At this stage, the back of the tube remains completely open. This allows the filling machines to inject the paste from the bottom. Thousands of empty tubes move along a high-speed conveyor belt. They look like a silver and white forest moving through the factory. Electric static is used to keep the tubes perfectly aligned. Every tube is inspected by a high-resolution camera for defects. The factory produces millions of these containers every week. The empty shells are now ready to meet the final product. The filling station is a masterpiece of precision engineering. The tubes are turned upside down and placed into a rotating wheel. Nozzles descend into the tubes and fill them with exact amounts of paste. For striped toothpaste, the nozzles use multiple chambers. This keeps the white paste and colored gels separate until the very end. The stripes only meet as they are squeezed out by the user. The filling process happens in less than half a second per tube. Immediately after filling, the open ends are moved to a sealing station. High-frequency waves are used to heat the plastic at the end of the tube. The hot plastic is pressed together to create a permanent airtight seal. Cold water is used to set the seal instantly. The excess plastic is trimmed away by a sharp industrial blade. The tubes are now fully sealed and protected from the outside world. They move along a vibrating belt to settle the paste inside. The speed of the assembly line is truly staggering to behold.
The final stage is all about speed and organization. Robotic arms grab the finished tubes and place them into cardboard boxes. The machines can pack hundreds of boxes every single minute. Another machine folds the boxes and seals them with industrial glue. The boxes are then grouped into larger shipping crates. Every crate is weighed to ensure it contains the correct number of units. The crates are stocked onto wooden pallets by massive robotic lifters. Computer-guided forklifts move the pallets to the loading docks. The factory operates 24 hours a day to meet global demand. From raw minerals to a finished product in your bathroom, the industrial journey of toothpaste is a miracle of modern science. Millions of units are now ready for the global market. The machines never stop and the production never slows down. The process is a perfect loop of engineering and hygiene. The factory has completed its daily mission of dental care.